The new Special Series makes its debut, expressing the dynamic character of Junior with a distinctive design, premium materials, and a wealth of high-level technological features. Alcantara interiors with ice details, a glossy black body kit with silver inserts, 18 diamond-cut wheels, and a dedicated badge create a sporty yet refined look. Available with 100% electric, two-wheel drive hybrid, and Q4 all-wheel drive hybrid powertrains, the Sport Speciale combines efficiency and driving pleasure at the heart of the premium segment. With the new Junior Sport Speciale, the Alfa Romeo brand renews its tradition of special series that blend elegance, sportiness, and cutting-edge technology. Following the success of the Intensa version, the Junior Sport Speciale becomes the star of the 2026 lineup, best expressing the dynamic character of the Biscione's sporty compact while enriching it with new stylistic details and premium materials in a project that also involves the new Tonale, recently presented to the international press. Conceived for those who desire a compact car with an authentically sporty spirit yet accessible positioning, the new Junior Sport Speciale combines refined aesthetics with a comprehensive equipment package, positioning itself at the core of the premium segment. The design of the exterior stands out thanks to the glossy black body kit enhanced by silver inserts on the side skirts and bumpers, dedicated lower guards with specific finishes, 18-inch, 4E alloy wheels in a dual-tone matte Myron diamond cut finish, and the exclusive Sport Speciale badge that highlights its uniqueness. Tinted rear windows and the optional two-tone roof, available with all the color options in the range, complete a silhouette that is unmistakably Alfa Romeo. Inside, craftsmanship and attention to detail define a sophisticated environment. The heated seats, with electric adjustment, feature distinctive perforated Alcantara upholstery with a light-colored backrest insert and ice inserts on the front seats. The same material covers the dashboard, center tunnel, and door panels, while the steering wheel, combining leather and Alcantara with contrasting stitching, provides the tactile feel typical of Alfa Romeo's sporty driving experience. Luminous stitching and the dashboard logo, aluminum pedals and kick plate, and ambient lighting all contribute to creating an exclusive atmosphere. Junior Sport Speciale can be further enhanced with the Techno Pack. From Level 2 autonomous driving with adaptive cruise control, traffic management, and lane centering, to Matrix LED headlights and the navigation system with integrated TSI, standard on the Q4 version, every detail has been designed to enhance the driving experience and optimize safety. It also includes a 180 degrees rear-view camera, 360 degrees parking sensors, hands-free tailgate opening, wireless smartphone charging, mirrors that can be folded electrically with blind spot detection, an electrochromic rear-view mirror, and a 6-speaker audio system with front and rear USB ports. The equipment is completed by the Cargo Flex kit for better luggage compartment management, while the panoramic sunroof is available as an option, along with the heated windshield for colder markets. Finally, the engine lineup of the Sport Speciale includes a 145 horsepower front-wheel drive hybrid, a 145 horsepower Q4 all-wheel drive hybrid, and a 156 horsepower 100% electric BEV version equipped with an onboard charger of up to 11 kilowatts. For the hybrid versions, steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters are standard, offering a more direct and engaging driving experience. The new Alfa Romeo Junior Sport Speciale is therefore a model with a distinctive character, capable of strengthening the brand's sporty and premium identity by making every journey an authentically Alfa Romeo driving experience.